Imagine starting your day without rushing anywhere. No traffic, no crowded offices. You open your laptop and begin working from wherever you are. For millions of people, this is already normal life. Remote work has changed how people think about careers and freedom, yet many still believe remote jobs are hard to get. The truth is simple. Remote jobs are real, growing fast, and available to those who understand the process. The real challenge is not opportunity, but confusion. Many people do not know where to start, which skills matter, or how to present themselves online. This confusion leads to frustration and early quitting. In this video, I will show you step by step how to find a remote job online. No shortcuts, no false promises. Just clarity and a clear path forward. Stay till the end and you will know exactly what to do next. Welcome to Crown Global. Remote work means working online instead of going to an office. You still have responsibilities and deadlines, but your location does not matter. You can work from home, from another city, or from another country. In the past, companies believed productivity required physical presence. Over time, they learned that focus and responsibility matter more than location. This opened the door to global remote hiring. At the same time, people started questioning long commutes and rigid schedules. Remote work offered a better balance between work and life. This shift also increased competition. Remote jobs attract people from everywhere, which is why random effort is not enough. You need a clear approach. Step 1. Understand what you can offer online. The first step in finding a remote job is understanding what you can actually offer. Many people believe they have no skills, but this belief usually comes from comparing themselves to experts. Skills do not have to be advanced to be valuable. They just need to solve a problem. Think about your daily activities. Have you ever organized files, managed emails, handled customer messages, written simple content, edited videos, managed social media, or researched information online? These tasks are already part of many remote jobs. For example, a virtual assistant often handles scheduling, emails, and basic organization. A customer support agent answers questions and solves problems through chat or email. A content assistant helps with writing captions, formatting posts, or uploading content. These roles do not require perfection. They require reliability. Many people working remotely today started exactly like this. They did not feel confident at first. They simply started using what they already knew and improved along the way. The key is to stop underestimating yourself. Remote work is not about being the smartest person in the room. It is about being helpful and consistent. Step 2. Choose one skill and one direction. Once you recognize your abilities, the next step is choosing one direction. This step is extremely important and often ignored. People try to learn many things at once, hoping something will work. Instead, they end up confused and overwhelmed. Choosing one skill allows you to focus your energy. When you focus, progress becomes faster. Confidence grows because you are not constantly switching directions. For example, instead of saying, "I can do everything," you say, "I help with social media management," or "I provide virtual assistant support." This clarity makes it easier for employers to understand you and trust you. You can always expand later. Many successful remote workers started with one skill and slowly added more. The beginning is about simplicity, not perfection. Step 3. Learn only what is practical. Learning a skill does not mean collecting certificates or watching endless tutorials. What matters is understanding how the work is actually done. Employers care about results, not theory. Focus on practical tasks. Learn the tools used in your chosen field. Practice regularly. Create simple examples of your work, even if they are sample projects. For instance, if you want to work in content writing, write sample articles. If you want to work in video editing, edit short clips. If you want to be a virtual assistant, practice organizing tasks or managing mock email inboxes. One real-life example is a beginner who wanted to become a remote assistant. Instead of waiting for a job, they created a sample task list and showed how they would manage schedules. That simple effort helped them land their first role. Confidence comes from practice, not from waiting for permission. Step 4. Create a simple and clear online profile. Your online profile is your first impression. It does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear. Employers should understand who you are and what you can help with in a few seconds. Use simple language. Okay, let's walk through the basic processes for uploading a file. Focus on clarity and honesty. A clean profile with a clear message builds trust, even if you are new. Think of your profile as a short introduction, not a life story. Keep it professional, calm, and focused. Step 5. Build a basic online presence. You do not need a website or thousands of followers to work remotely. You just need proof that you are active and serious. This could be a simple portfolio, shared examples of your work, or consistent activity related to your skill. When employers see effort, they feel more comfortable giving you a chance. Effort signals commitment. Many people underestimate this step, but it makes a big difference. Even simple activity shows that you are not just dreaming. You are preparing. Remote jobs are usually posted on specific platforms and company pages. Instead of applying everywhere randomly, choose a few reliable platforms and focus on them. Quality matters more than quantity. A well-written application has more impact than dozens of copied messages. Consistency is key. Make applying part of your routine, not a one-time action. Step 7. Apply with purpose and clarity. When you apply for a remote job, your message should show that you understand the role. Keep it short and relevant. Explain how you can help and why you are a good fit. Avoid copying and pasting the same message everywhere. Employers can tell when a message is generic. Personal effort always stands out. One real example is someone who applied to fewer jobs but customized each message. They received more replies than before because employers felt seen and understood. Step 8. Handle interviews and communication professionally. If you get a response, that means your effort is working. During communication or interviews, be calm and honest. Do not overpromise. Do not pretend to know everything. Remote employers value trust, communication, and reliability. Skills can be improved, but trust is earned. Even if you do not get selected, every interview improves your confidence. Step 9. Start small and gain experience. Your first remote job may not be perfect. That is completely normal. The goal is experience and learning. Once you complete your first project successfully, everything becomes easier. Many remote careers are built step by step. Each small success leads to bigger opportunities. Step 10. Stay patient and consistent. Remote work is not instant. Some people get results quickly, others take longer. What matters is consistency. Rejection is not failure. It is feedback. Learn from it and keep moving forward. Remote work rewards patience and persistence. Final thoughts. Remote work is not luck. It is a system. When you follow the steps, stay focused, and take consistent action, results come. Many people who once felt lost are now working online simply because they did not give up. If this video gave you clarity, take action today. Choose one skill. Create one profile. Apply for one remote job. For more practical guidance, honest advice, and real strategies for building a global online career, subscribe to Crown Global. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and comment below that you are ready to start. This is Crown Global. I will see you in the next video.